to start CPR. Pinadali natin kanina, dalawa lang, which is yung unresponsive and no breathing. Okay, third, when to stop. So may mnemonics tayo na stops, which is S for spontaneous circulation returns, or yung ROS na tinatawag natin, return of spontaneous circulation. Buhay na yung tao. Buhay na yung tao, stop na tayo. Okay? Okay. T, turn over to medical responders. So dumating na yung ambulance or any medical responders, stop na tayo, turn over na natin. Okay. O, operator is exhausted. Gaya ng sabi ni ma'am, pagod na. Tama na. So, ikaw ba naman mag-CPR ng 3 days? Okay. Okay, dapat yun may kapalitan ka as much as possible. Next is B. Physician takes over, or sinabi niya na, dineclare niya na patay na, tama na. Okay. And then, stops. Ayun yung mga criteria natin. Pagod na yung operator, na-turn over na natin sa medical. Physician takes over, dineclare niya na napatay. And then, ano pa? Bumalik na sa ulirat yung ating patient.